Cake for a gay couple on religious grounds, now in the hands of the U.S. Supreme Court justices.
The High Court heard arguments today in a case involving a Colorado baker, but it's a case that's very similar to here, the Sweet Cakes by Melissa case. Probably remember that. Or Lisa Balick joins us with how today's arguments may very well affect that local case. Lisa.
Yeah, Jennifer, in Colorado, the state Civil Rights Commission had sided with the gay couple, so the cake shop owner took his case to the U.S. Supreme Court. But based on what happened there today, there's still a chance the Oregon case could wind up at the High Court as well.
I don't create custom designs for events or messages that conflict with my conscience.
Colorado baker Jack Phillips says he's an artist, and his lawyers argue that creating a cake for a gay couple would create a message of support, violating his religious beliefs. But David Mullins, seeking the cake, says being turned down that day because it was for a same-sex marriage is discrimination.
And we were mortified and humiliated.
A similar case in Oregon started in 2013 when Rachel Bowman Cryer asked the owners of Melissa's Sweet Cake shop in Gresham to make a cake for her same-sex wedding. After she was refused, the State Bureau of Labor and Industries ruled against the bakery, finding the owners more than $100,000. They appealed and are waiting a decision from the Oregon Court of Appeals. The state is still holding on to the money paid by the Kleins until the case is resolved. The U.S. Supreme Court could decide whether artistic-type businesses can be allowed to discriminate based on freedom of religion.
It is possible, it seems, that some of the justices might vote to decide the Colorado case on a very fact-specific issue tied to the record in that case. And if they do so, it wouldn't be binding precedent necessarily for the Oregon case.
The court could also make a decision that just affects the Colorado case. And that could open the door for the Oregon case to be heard at the High Court. Now, I just spoke with attorneys for the Kleins, a statement saying from them in part, quote, "We are grateful that our friend Jack Phillips had his day before the court. The First Amendment protects artists like Jack." I have not heard back, though, from the Bowman Cryers. I did speak with their attorneys, who said they are definitely watching this case very carefully.
Yeah, and I know you'll keep us updated, Lisa. Ever changing. Thank you.